I'm going to share with you the 15 AI tools that can help you build $1 million business without hiring more employees. And no, this isn't another basic tutorial you've already seen 100 times. This is about leverage. This is about survival. This is about the small business owner in Ohio who hasn't taken a vacation in 3 years. The contractor in Texas answering calls at midnight. The single mom in California running her online store after her kids fall asleep. This is about building something bigger without burning out. Because the future of business is not about doing more. It's about directing more. And if you truly understand what I'm about to share with you, your role will shift forever, from overwhelmed operator to powerful director. The first tool is Fathom. Imagine walking into every meeting knowing you never have to take notes again. Imagine being fully present, listening deeply, thinking strategically, because something smarter than you is capturing every word, every action item, every commitment. Fathom records your meetings, transcribes them, summarizes them, and even assigns action steps automatically. Think about how many deals are lost because someone missed one sentence. Think about how many arguments happen because nobody remembers who said what. Think about how many hours leaders waste asking, "Can someone send me the recap?" Now imagine at the end of your day, you simply ask, "What happened across my company today?" And you get a clean, structured summary. That's leverage. That's scale without hiring an assistant. The second tool is Zapier. Zapier is like invisible glue for your business. Someone buys from your website, it sends a welcome email, updates your CRM, notifies your team, schedules onboarding, creates a Slack message, and updates your accounting software automatically while you sleep. Most business owners don't need more customers. They need better systems. I once met a founder doing 7 figures who still manually copied customer information from email into spreadsheets. He thought he needed more staff. He didn't. He needed automation. Zapier gives you back 20 to 30 hours a week if you build it right. And time is oxygen for entrepreneurs. The third tool is Gumloop. Now this is where it gets powerful. Gumloop visually maps workflows but adds AI decision making. It doesn't just move data, it thinks. It can route leads based on quality. It can screen resumes intelligently. It can process expenses and flag unusual transactions. It can approve or deny requests based on logic you describe in plain language. This is where businesses stop being reactive and start becoming intelligent. The fourth tool is Cursor. This one changes everything for software and internal tools. Cursor allows you to write real production-level code using simple instructions. You don't need to be a developer. You need to understand logic. Instead of hiring 5 engineers, one skilled director using Cursor can accomplish the work of many. It refactors code, writes tests, fixes bugs, and builds features faster than traditional teams. This is not about replacing humans. It's about multiplying output. The fifth tool is NotebookLM. This is your thinking partner. Upload your documents. Upload reports. Upload transcripts. Upload market research. Then ask better questions. It connects ideas. It finds patterns. It helps you think sharper and faster. If you want to reach your first million, you don't need more effort, you need better decisions. NotebookLM shortens the thinking cycle. The sixth tool is ChatGPT with deep research capabilities. Most people barely scratch the surface. You can use it to analyze markets in real time, to research competitors, to identify warm introductions in your network, to draft outreach messages, to study trends. Imagine asking it, "Who in my extended network could introduce me to this investor?" and getting a structured breakdown in minutes. That's not convenience. That's acceleration. The seventh tool is Claude. Each AI model has strengths. Claude excels in structured writing, analysis, and extracting insights from large datasets. Upload customer surveys. Upload intake forms. Ask it to identify emotional patterns, common pain points, buying triggers. It doesn't just summarize. It understands nuance. And nuance is where profits live. The eighth tool is Revio. Revio supports human sales conversations with AI guidance. It sits in between you and your customer chats, analyzing past successful conversations, suggesting better responses, summarizing long threads so you never lose context. You remain human. But you become sharper. It's like having a sales strategist whispering in your ear during every conversation. The ninth tool is ChatAid. This one transforms internal communication. It integrates into Slack and answers team questions automatically. Vacation policy. Document links. Training videos. Company processes. How many times does your team ask the same question? How many hours are wasted waiting for answers? ChatAid becomes your internal knowledge brain. The 10th tool is Icon. Marketing used to require teams of designers and ad experts. Now you can generate hundreds of ad variations from a single idea. Test them. Kill losers. Scale winners. It scans your site. It studies competitors. It drafts creative angles you wouldn't think of. Speed wins in advertising. Icon gives you speed. The 11th tool is Gamma. If you want funding, partnerships, or sales, you need powerful presentations. Gamma turns bullet points into beautiful pitch decks in minutes. Not amateur slides. Compelling visual stories. It shortens the distance between idea and deal. The 12th tool is Precision. This might be the most underrated. Most businesses fail because they don't understand their numbers. Precision connects your data and tells you what's good, what's bad, and what needs attention. It doesn't just show dashboards. It interprets them. If your conversion rate drops, it suggests strategy adjustments. If your churn increases, it flags it immediately. Clarity creates confidence. The 13th tool is Atlas. Speed to lead determines revenue. Atlas calls new leads instantly using AI voice systems. It confirms appointments. Answers questions. Schedules calls. While you're driving. While you're in meetings. While you're asleep. The first business to respond usually wins. Atlas ensures that's you. The 14th tool is N8N. This is advanced automation for those who want total control. It connects hundreds of apps and creates intelligent workflows. It can monitor online mentions of your brand. Trigger alerts. Run nightly performance checks. Send reports automatically. Every automated click is reclaimed profit. And finally, the 15th tool is Lovable. Lovable allows you to type an idea for an app and build it in minutes. Not mock-ups. Real working software. Imagine a future where every department head builds mini internal apps the way we build spreadsheets today. That future is here. The faster you turn ideas into products, the faster you learn. And the faster you learn, the faster you earn. Here's the truth. Most small business owners in America don't need more employees. They need leverage. They need to stop being task executors and start being workflow directors. Because the future of work is not about who works hardest. It's about who directs intelligence best. If you are watching this feeling overwhelmed, stretched thin, tired of doing everything yourself, understand something. You are not behind. You are early. The AI revolution is not replacing you. It is empowering you. But only if you choose to step into the role of director. On Smart Biz I, we don't just talk about tools. We talk about transformation. Because when you combine courage with leverage, ordinary founders build extraordinary companies. And if you implement even 5 of these tools intentionally, you won't just save time. You'll create margin. You'll create clarity. You'll create momentum. And momentum is what builds million-dollar businesses. This is your moment to shift. To stop drowning in tasks. To start orchestrating systems. And to build something scalable, without hiring a small army. If this message resonated with you, then your journey from overworked operator to AI-powered director begins now. And I'll see you in the next one. Right here on Smart Biz I.